The perfect lipstick for every day. Look at this shade. Your lips, only better. One swoosh and it brings your whole look together. It will go with everything in your wardrobe on every occasion. Plus, this shade suits everyone. It feels great and it also nourishes your lips. It makes your lips look really plump and full. For me, this shade just makes everyone look really chic, sophisticated, but not too try hard. It's kind of like that effortless cool look. I think you're gonna absolutely fall in love with this shade just as much as I have.